Hey guys, today we're going to be going over my Lab 1 Pneumatics and Hydraulics class. Basically, this entire system is what we're going over. Over here we have our compressed air coming into our conditioning unit. And what I'm pointing at right now is the shut-off valve. Basically, you push it for it to stop and then you pull it to allow air in. The next thing is our pressure gauge and our pressure regulator. So you turn that yellow knob there to change the amount of pressure allowed in the system. The next thing are these gates, and they allow air depending on whether they're open and closed in the system. We only have two hooked up, and as you follow the line, the first one that I followed comes down here to a tease, and it splits the air in different directions, and the other one goes into a vacuum chamber which creates suction. Now when you open that wastegate that's connected to the vacuum chamber, it's connected to this air bearing. At the bottom of it there's a hole, and because we're in a vacuum chamber creating suction, it sucks air into it. So I put this paper here to show you that it sucks, or it sticks to the bottom, so the air is being sucked in, that paper gets sucked into that hole, and so it's not pushing in there. And there you can see the hole where the air is being sucked into. Now we'll go back up and we'll close that gate leading to the air bearing, and then we'll open the other one, and that line goes into our tees, which splits the air off. We'll follow this first line into our directional control valve, which is a button, so it's manually operated, going into our flow control valve into our single acting cylinder. And as I press that control valve, you can see that it extends and retracts as needed. Now we'll go back and we'll follow the other lines out into the accumulator over here, which the accumulator displaces that pressure, lowers it because that air expands in there, and continues over here to our flow meter, which reads the flow rate, and it comes back out up top into our bi-directional motor here. And as you can see, that little motor spinning right there, it doesn't matter which side you put that hose on, it will just reverse the flow depending on where you have it. So air goes in and comes out that one side, and depending on which way, which inlet you have it in, depends on which way the motor spins.